D&H Secheron Electrodes, Private Limited, a leading name in welding consumables. Introducing Norma-V, a medium-coated general-purpose all-position electrode. Norma-V operates with a quiet arc, producing a smooth bead with fine ripples. The slag is easily detachable, ensuring a clean finish with minimal spatter. Versatility is key. Norma-V excels in welding steel structures, tanks, truck frames, machinery construction, auto bodies, frames, pipes, and more. But how does Norma-V compare to the competition? Let's put it to the test. On one side, we have Norma-V, and on the other, a competitor's electrode. Watch closely as we showcase the welding capabilities of both. You can check our in-house testing in fillets, grooves, and pour beads on a plate. See the difference in quality, efficiency, and overall performance. In the end, the results speak for themselves. Norma-V stands out, providing unmatched quality and performance in every weld. Norma-V, a mild steel electrode, where versatility meets welding perfection.